Organ systems. Organs. In most animals, tissues are arranged into organs that perform specific functions. Organs are at a higher level of structure than any of the tissues composing them, and they perform functions that none of their tissues can do on their own. An example of an organ that consists of different tissues is the heart, which consists mainly of cardiac muscle, but also contains epithelial, connective, and nervous tissue. Organ systems. It takes the integration of several organs into organ systems to carry out the major body functions. Vertebrates have 11 major organ systems. Integumentary system. This organ system includes the skin and its derivatives, which include hair, nails or claws, sweat glands, and oil glands. Functions of the integumentary system include protection of internal body structures, body temperature regulation, sensation, vitamin D production, excretion of a limited amount of nitrogenous waste through sweat, and a reservoir for blood. Integumentary system consists of three major regions. The epidermis is the outermost region. The prefix epi means on, or on the surface really. Dermis is the middle region, and the hypodermis is the deepest region. Hypo means low. Note, soles of the feet and palms of the hands have an extra layer not found anywhere else in the body. Why do you think this is? Skeletal system. Functions of the skeletal system include support, locomotion when muscles pull on bones in the limbs, protection of organs, and storage of calcium and phosphate. There are three main types of skeletons: hydrostatic skeletons, exoskeletons, and endoskeletons. Hydroskeletons. Hydroskeletons consist of fluid-filled cavities surrounded by muscles. The muscles contract against the fluid, allowing locomotion. They give the body shape and help protect internal organs. Exoskeletons. Many animals, such as insects and arthropods, have a rigid external skeleton called an exoskeleton. In some animals, for example arthropods, the exoskeleton must be shed as the animal grows. This is a process called molting, and it is replaced by a larger exoskeleton as the animal grows. In this picture, we have a discarded dragonfly nymph exoskeleton. And then also another example would include soft-shell crabs. Soft-shell crabs are caught right as they have molted, and therefore really don't have a hard exoskeleton anymore, and then are prepared as food with the shell still intact. Endoskeletons. Endoskeletons consist of rigid, metabolically active support structures surrounding the soft tissues and organs of certain animals. Different types of endoskeletons range from a framework of protein fibers in a sponge up to a complete skeleton made up of bones and cartilage in vertebrates. Human skeleton. Our skeleton consists of 206 individual bones and is divided into two regions: the axial skeleton, which includes the skull, vertebral column, and thorax, and the appendicular skeleton, which includes the upper and lower limbs and the respective girdles which attach to the axial skeleton. Muscular system. The muscular system is composed of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscle. Functions of the muscular system include body movement, maintaining posture, circulating blood, generating heat, and stabilizing joints. Movement of the human skeleton. The skeletal system and the muscular system work together as the musculoskeletal system to move the human skeleton. Much of the versatility in movement of our skeleton comes from the various types of articulations, or joints, between two or more bones. Bones serve as attachment points for muscles via their tendons. Bones of movable joints are held together by ligaments. Muscles and bones interact in movement.